If you feel the red mist rise, if someone says something that really gets to you, it can happen after a long day of lots of Zoom meetings or similar, then there's something really, really simple that you can do that will help. It's a way of reframing. The thing I do is when I feel that emotion, and just before I'm about to say something that I'm going to regret, in my head I give the emotion a name, a stupid name, Mr. Squashy, whatever. It gives a sense of distance between you and the emotion. It's not in control of you anymore. And the other thing you can do is just really feel what the emotion is doing to the atoms of your body. How is it moving in your body? Which sounds like a really weird thing to do, but it just gives a bit of separation between the emotion and what it's doing to you. And then it will move on. Clues in the name. If you want to know more about how to regulate your state as a speaker, my new course, Master Your Meetings, will help you with all of that. You can find it in my bio or in the link below. Enjoy.